I'm telling you, I'm gonna walk in the door, he gonna hug me. Off rip, boom, boom.
One try, all I need is one try. If I get a chance with you, show you all that I can do. All I need is some time, all I need is one night. And me get a chance with you, show you all the things that your nigga he can do.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm looking a little I just got out of bed. Today is gonna be a little bit of a chill day. I'm gonna be staying home and doing like some homework assignments and just getting some emails and business stuff done. Take the little homework days, I guess you could call them, to do my skincare routine. You know what I'm saying? Just pamper myself a little bit. So today I guess I'm just gonna show you guys my little morning routine slash skincare routine. I'm gonna unbox a couple products for you guys as well. I guess we're just gonna get into this routine. I'm gonna just show you guys basically what I do in the morning, my skincare kind of routine. I'll talk a little bit about my nighttime skincare routine as well, just touch on it and let y'all know what products I usually do use, just so that way you guys have an idea of some of the products that I have been using on my skin and been loving recently. If you guys would like to see what products I use on my skin, then keep on watching. Thank you so much to Truly Beauty for sponsoring this video. They were kind enough to send me a few products to try out for you guys. One of my favorites has been the unicorn fruit whipped body butter. This absolutely smells amazing and it's such a great moisturizer. Lasts all day. They sent me like a body exfoliant, excuse me, and as well as a vegan collagen mask and a lip plumping mask as well. So I'm super excited to try these out for you guys. I'll leave the link down to their Instagram as well as their website, and specifically the unicorn fruit body butter. I'm gonna put the link down below for all that stuff, so you guys can definitely check that out. Definitely check out the body butter though. That shit is super fire. Anyways, back to the video. So I'm heating my shower water up right now. Starting off, I have this mask on right now. Truly Beauty, I believe the company is called Vegan Collagen Mask. It's supposed to be anti-aging. It's an anti-aging jelly face mask for tighter, younger, and plumper skin. It has vitamin C boost, organic coconut oil, retinol, vegetable collagen, and stuff like that. It's made in the USA. It's harsh chemical free, fragrance free, animal cruelty free. So all that stuff is really good. It doesn't have like a smell. Soaks into the skin, and then like, you know what I'm saying, once you wash it off, because you know when you take off some products you feel like it hasn't really done anything, it was just sitting on there. Like this actually feels like it's done something. So I usually put this on not every night, but like every other night, because I do a cooling peel off mask as well as like whatchamacallit, like excess. So I just like to put this one in between there on the nights that I feel like I want to add a little bit of moisture. And yeah, so this is what I'm wearing right now. I'm about to wash this off because I put this on last night. In the shower, when I come back out, I'm gonna show you guys what I do. All right, you guys, so I'm fresh out the shower. I'm looking crust right now. But yeah, so now we're about to apply our masks and things like that. I'm gonna just run through the products that I usually use. Well, first of all, here's what we're gonna do. In the box that I showed you guys earlier, there was this Star Kisser lip plumping and healing mask. It's has hyaluronic acid, aloe, peppermint boosting, hydrate and plump your lips. So we're gonna put this on first. My hands are clean, by the way. I literally just came out the shower and I didn't touch anything else aside from this. So okay, so this is supposed to plump my lips. I feel it tingling, but it's like it's not an uncomfortable tingle. Like I don't feel like something bad is happening, so that's good. Now that we have this on our lips, we're just gonna leave this on our lips for a little bit, and I'm gonna take it off and then hydrate everything. I'm gonna just run through the products that I was gonna use. I showed y'all the vegan collagen mask that I use when I go to sleep at night. So I'm gonna show y'all all the masks that I use at night first. Usually I like to use the ones that are not messy, so the ones that dry, and then I can go to sleep with them on. Elite Skincare Essentials Cucumber Peel Off Mask. It's got aloe and cucumber and green tea, and it's supposed to like soothe and calm your skin. I like to use this one at nighttime to let my skin is feeling a little bit dry. I also like to use this peel off mask. I don't know what company this is from, but it's a purifying peel off mask with red clay. Basically it's just supposed to extract all the excess oils and stuff like that out of your skin overnight. So I like to use this one. My skin is feeling like way too oily and like I feel like my pores are clogged. This is really, really good. And all like when you peel it off in the morning, all the nasty shit is like on there. It's like gross. But also for nighttime and daytime, when I get out the shower and stuff after I'm done using my masks or whatever, I always like to like try to hydrate my face again. I like to use the Marbadescu rose water. This one I like to use as skincare. So this one I use especially like when I'm going to sleep and stuff. This one is the aloe cucumber green tea one. This one I use just for like on top of my makeup and stuff like that. This is what I use for that, just because I feel like it's like refreshing. And sometimes when I'm about to go out and I need to like hydrate my face, I'll use this as well. Let's see. So also for the last overnight thing that I use would be this Kiehl's turmeric cranberry seed energizing radiance mask. I had to go and get another one. My best friend Ty put me onto this. And so yeah, so I definitely really like this a lot. I be putting it like under my eyes. It's supposed to like brighten your skin, plump the skin, and just like add radiance or whatever back to the skin. So especially after like, you know what I'm saying, using so many drying products, since I have such oily skin, like I like to make sure I still stay a little bit hydrated. Sure y'all drink water. I'm telling you right now, my skin used to be really, really bad, so I know how it goes. Some of it is literally just genetics. You gotta thug it out, and you know what I'm saying, find the ways to combat that like acne internally, externally at the same time. Once it's not a genetic thing, like you need to make sure you drink water. That's definitely, it's gonna like, you know what I'm saying, that's gonna help. It's just gonna help. So I just drank a whole entire glass of water, and I also had a smoothie before I got in my shower. Now we're gonna move on to the masks that I typically use. These three are from Rosen Skincare. This one is a tingling mud mask. I really like this one. This one's super good for like when you have pimples. This one gets rid of pimples like so quick. This one is the earth mask. It has healing clay, zinc oxide, eucalyptus. It's a moisturizing mask to like what's it called? Like it's a moisturizing mask to like it's a whatever, you know what I'm talking about. When you got bumps and stuff like that and they're really like active breakouts and they're red, it makes them less red and less like, you know, boom. So that's this one. This one is gonna be the charcoal mask. This one is also really good if you have like active breakouts and stuff and you're trying to like reduce the size of them. And what I usually use after I get out the shower, this one's a little bit more gentle, but I like this one because it definitely does the trick, and I really love this mask. This is the one I use. This is one I use like frequently. This is more of like a daily, every other day type of mask. I use this one as often. This is the Biospa facial mask with active charcoal and mud and minerals from the Dead Sea, I guess. And it's supposed to have like, I guess, seaweed minerals and shit like that in there too. Good for my skin. I don't really know if it's, I think it's supposed to do like, it's supposed to be for all types of skin. So I guess like combination, you know what I'm saying, oily, dry, whatever. But this works really well, and you guys want to make sure that you guys also have a very clean brush. Do not be applying I have another one of these too. I have like a plastic one, of silicone spatula ones too, but you want to make sure if you're using a brush or whatever it is, it's just clean and sanitized. So I'm about to put this on my skin. Also, when I was in the shower, I used this, it's like a charcoal deep pore face wash. I use it like every morning. Now that I've gotten it like a week ago, I really like it. It just helps like strip all like the, you know, whatever you might have had on your skin the day before is gone. I'm a little bit of a perfectionist when it comes down to this, so you got to see me like try to finesse it and make it look mad neat. Put it on the areas that I need to. I don't be putting masks if I don't really need it in that area. My jawline right now is not really breaking out, so I'm just leave it, because if I do too much, sometimes it gets dry.
Trying to get my shit together. Got my wifey party tripping about some shit, moving extra. She ain't even thinking about her ex. I'm doing better. I get money every day. His pockets lighter than a feather.
Boom. In the little jars. All those I kind of use just like during the day because they wash off. Everything else that I use at night is like peel off or gets like really hard, so it won't like come off at all. Pause. Other thing I wanted to say. Make sure, first of all promotion aside, this right here, this unicorn fruit moisturizer, this right here is about to be my new favorite moisturizer. Like, it's a whipped body butter, and that's, bro, like, look, hold on, I'm about to show y'all, hold on. You see how that look? This smells like what? Like, this smells like cake. It smells like strawberry shortcake, vanilla ice cream, pound cake, whipped cream, strawberries, raspberries, whipped cream. Did I already say that? Whipped cream, whatever. Anyways, I'm single as hell, but you know what I'm saying? If I did have a man though, like, what? Me pull up with this on, like, me pull up with this on. He gonna wanna eat me. Like, I mean, I know I'm out the shower and my skin is nice and all, but like, dang, like, look at this. Like, ooh, 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 ooh. Cop this. This is valid. Like, what? I wore this. If I had a nigga and I wore this, cop it. Buy it. It's worth it. I would buy it, like, with my own bread. Like, this is fire. Washed off the mask and a lip scrub. As you can see, my skin is, you know, looking real nice, clean. You know what I'm saying? I gotta do my edges and stuff like that. Now what we're gonna do is I'm gonna put on this Aquaphor. Who wants chapped lips? Like, what? Like, you know what I'm saying? That's disrespectful. How you expect me to focus on you? Your lips cracked. So now what we're about to do is we're gonna take this off. I might have a shoot later, so I'm not gonna go ham with the skincare right now because I'm literally gonna just like put makeup on. Tonight I will probably use the charcoal mask, and I've been using the collagen mask on my face for a couple of nights now, so I'll probably like switch it up, and maybe if my skin is feeling a little bit dry, I'll use this Elite Cucumber Cooling Mask. I'm just going to spray my face. I'm gonna use this cooling cucumber one. I usually put castor oil on my eyebrows as well before I go to sleep, in my like edges and my scalp and stuff like that. So that's something I also do. My sis hand dried my hair. It turned out mad cute. I gotta re-slick it down because, you know what I'm saying, I've been wearing it for a couple days now, so it's just, you know, a little bit, it's just a little bit messed up. My Eco Styler gel, ew, excuse it, it's really crusty and gross. I don't know, is y'all's Eco Styler gel crusty and gross, or is it just me? Like, my Eco Styler always gets crusty and gross. Excuse the appearance of my brush. This shit looks bad. It's in bad shape, but whatever.
Alice, what you cooking?
I can't stress over no bitch, I took a bigger loss. Always on bad terms, I wonder when I can take you out the country just to show you different weather. They say nothing lasts forever, but I hope we stay together. If we don't link again, if we don't ever see each other, could you take my number down so I can call you up whenever? I could take you out the country just to show you different weather. They say nothing lasts forever, but I hope we stay together. If we don't link again, if we don't ever see each other, could you take my number down so I could call you up whenever?
All right, you guys, so that is the end of this video. I hope you guys did enjoy. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. You guys can follow me on Instagram at _HIT0MI___. I'm gonna leave the link down below as well, so y'all can just click on that and follow me on there. Snap is Hitomi Cartledge. I'm gonna try to get back on there a little bit, so you know, if y'all want to fuck with me on there, y'all can fuck with me on there. If you have any other suggestions, you can definitely like shoot me a DM or a snap or whatever with like suggestions for videos you guys would like to see. This video was a little bit scrambled, but I hope everything made sense and was a little bit helpful. And yeah, I think, yeah, that's about all. I'm gonna holla at y'all in the next video.